Okay, so I'm about to show you something that honestly blew my mind when I first discovered it. This entire animated story you're watching right now, I didn't use any traditional video editing software. I didn't hire an animator. I don't even have animation skills. Everything you see on screen was created inside one AI tool called MagicLight AI, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it. So here's the thing. If you've ever tried making animated story videos for YouTube, you know the struggle. You're either spending hours learning complicated software, or you're paying hundreds of dollars to freelancers, or you're stuck with those boring slideshow-style videos that nobody wants to watch anymore. That's exactly why I started looking for a better solution, and that's when I found MagicLight. What makes this different? MagicLight is basically an all-in-one video creation platform. Think of it like having a full animation studio right inside your browser. Whether you're making kids' stories, bedtime tales, or those long-form faceless YouTube videos that are crushing it right now, you can handle everything in one place. Let me show you how simple this actually is. Before we jump into the video, I have a quick message. Make sure you stay till the very end. There's a bonus waiting for you. First, head over to the MagicLight AI website. You'll find the link in the description below. Sign up using your email address. Once you log in, MagicLight usually gives you free credits so you can start testing the features right away. And as a bonus, I'm giving away 3 free MagicLight Pro subscriptions to viewers who watch till the end of this video. Before we start creating our own story, let's quickly check out what the community has already made using MagicLight. Pretty awesome, right? Now it's our turn. To get started, click on Create or Story to Video. MagicLight keeps everything super simple with 4 clear steps: Content, Cast, Storyboard, and Edit. We'll go through each step together. Let's begin with Step 1, Content. Here, you'll notice a collection of trending scripts that you can use for inspiration. MagicLight gives you multiple ways to start your story. When you're starting from scratch, you'll see 2 options, Smart Script and Basic Script. First, let's look at Smart Script. This option is perfect if you only have a small idea and want the AI to build the story for you. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to come up with creative ideas for a kid's story. Simply copy the kid's story prompt I've shared in the description or pinned comment and paste it into ChatGPT. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 5 unique kids' stories. Take a moment to read through them and choose the one you like the most. Once you've picked your favorite, copy the story and paste it into the MagicLight prompts section. Now click Expansion, and the AI will automatically build a complete story for you. Click Confirm to use this smart script. Next, choose your video ratio, depending on whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, or another platform. Then select the language for your video. After that, click on the story model. Here you will see 3 options. I choose Gemini. Now comes one of my favorite parts, choosing the visual style. MagicLight offers a wide range of styles like 3D cartoon, Pixar, Disney, realistic, comic, cyberpunk. For this kid's story, I'm going with a Pixar style look because it's colorful, playful, and perfect for this type of content. Here's something really powerful. You can also set the video length. MagicLight lets you create videos up to 50 minutes long. For this project, I'll leave it on auto so the AI decides the best length based on the script. Once everything is set, click Next. It will take few seconds to generate a full script. Now you'll see that MagicLight automatically breaks your story into multiple scenes. Each scene generates 1 image, which means the longer your script is, the more scenes you'll get. If you want to make changes, it's very easy. You can edit the text for any scene or split longer scenes into smaller ones. Pro tip: keeping each scene around 5 seconds long helps keep viewers engaged until the end. You can make changes now or wait until the storyboard or editing stage. Totally up to you. Once you're satisfied, click Next. As you can see, MagicLight AI automatically detected 2 characters for my story and generated them perfectly. Now, if your story has more characters, how do you generate them? It's very simple. Just go back to ChatGPT and copy your full story. Paste it into ChatGPT, then paste the second prompt from the prompt file. ChatGPT will then describe all the characters in your story in detail. For example, my story also has a third character, so I simply copy that character's description and go back to MagicLight AI, click on the More Characters option, then click Add Character. Here, you'll find many pre-made characters. If you want, you can select one of them. Otherwise, click on Create, paste the character prompt, then click Generate. That's it. Your third character will be created and ready to use in your story. Now, if you want to change the voice of your character, simply click on the character. On the left side, you'll see the voiceover option. Click on it and choose the voice you want for that character. Once you're happy with the selection, click Confirm. After that, click on the Next button to move forward. Now, MagicLight generates a visual storyboard. Each scene has its own image with characters placed correctly. You can scroll through and preview everything. Every image you see is generated from a text prompt. You can edit prompts anytime or click AI Expand to add more detail automatically. If you don't like an image, just regenerate it. It's completely free. And if you're ever stuck, you can always ask ChatGPT for help. MagicLight also provides built-in prompt guides to make things easier. To animate a scene, click Animate and choose an animation model. Each model has a different feel. For this tutorial, I'm using Kling 2.1, which is smooth and great for realistic movement. You can let the AI animate automatically or use a custom motion prompt for more control. After that, click on Confirm and wait for the results. Pretty awesome, right? MagicLight also provides Google Nano Banana services. For example, if you want to change, add, or remove anything in your story or visuals, simply click on the provided button and make the edits exactly the way you want. Now it's time to add a voiceover. Click VoiceOver and choose from MagicLight's built-in voices, or use voice cloning if you prefer your own voice. Preview each voice with Audition, then select the one you like. You can also adjust the speed. You can also use lip sync by simply clicking on the Animate button. Choose the lip sync option and it will perfectly sync the voiceover with the characters. You can type custom dialogue or pull it directly from the script. Your character's lips will sync perfectly with the voice. You can also add sound effects to match the mood of each scene. To finish your project, click Next. Choose whether to animate all remaining scenes or keep some static. I'm using the Kling 2.1 model for smooth motion. Once all scenes are fully generated, click on the Next button. Here you can add subtitles and background music. After that, click Generate to complete your video. Choose the size and resolution and click on OK. Now let's check out the final result.
The wet asphalt mirrors a bruised sky as the storm retreats, leaving puddles reflecting the fading light. Max, vibrant and full of youthful exuberance, spots the rainbow, a fleeting arc of color against the gray. "Rainbow Bridge, let's go!" Max cries out, his voice filled with hope and excitement. Amy squints, her pragmatic nature grounding their whimsy with a dose of reality. "Max, wait, it's fading," she warns, her voice a gentle counterpoint to his enthusiastic outburst. The rainbow's colors dissipate, mirroring the transient nature of dreams against the backdrop of the everyday. Max dashes onto the rainbow bridge, dodging puddles drawn by its vibrant shimmer. Amy follows cautiously, the bridge radiant yet unstable beneath her feet. A section of indigo vanishes as they step on it, a subtle omen. Max skips ahead, oblivious as crimson dissolves, leaving a void behind. "Max, it's disappearing!" Amy cries out, her voice laced with rising panic.
As promised, here comes the exciting part, the giveaway. I'm giving away 3 free MagicLight Pro accounts. Here's how you can enter. First, leave a comment below describing the video you want to create. Second, register for a MagicLight account using the link in the description. Third, submit your MagicLight account through the link provided in the description. 3 lucky winners will be randomly selected and their accounts will be upgraded to the Pro plan. The winners will be announced in just a few days, so don't miss your chance. And for everyone else, you can still sign up for MagicLight using the link in the description and get a 5% discount. Start for free, create your very first story, and remember to share your idea. We might even turn it into a viral script. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.